This is March 3rd, 2012. I am driving down Highway 10. Just got off the AA. Yesterday there was a pretty bad storm down through here. This is the first time that I've been through here to look how bad the damage is. I heard that there was some pretty... Oh, Jesus. There's a whole tree down there. That barn right back there got tore up pretty bad. Big trees down. I heard at least 5 houses got leveled in Pendleton County alone. There's some more trees down. Looks like telephone wire is down. Oh God. Trees down all over both sides of the road. Right there. Big tree down over there. I don't know if it hit the house or not. Some more stuff down. It looks like some of their roofing got messed up. People back on that other hill. Top of the houses. There's another tree down. But yeah, like I said, I heard there was at least 5 houses that totally got leveled. A lot of roofs torn down. A lot of barns flattened. This guy in front of me's got ladders and generators and gas. There's some roof damage. Oh, Jesus, I don't know what happened up here. A bunch of people stopped. Cop car, it looks like. That barn don't look too bad. There's a lot of... Oh my God, this church up here just got totally destroyed. This guy's siding looks like got taken off. Oh my God, this guy's whole fucking roof got taken off. Jesus Christ. Let's see. I guess this cop up here's directing traffic. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the whole roof right over there got taken off. Yeah, it looks like he's directing traffic. Finding out where people are going. Alright, I guess I gotta sit this down real quick. Sign got bent over. Yep.
Right. Do you live back this way?
My grandparents do. Like,
is that where you're going right now?
Yeah, I'm going to help them.
Okay, you can go on ahead.
All right. my God! Just look at that. That church. I don't know how old it was. Shit, there's police all over through here. Oh my God. And this guy's roof is totally torn off. Tree uprooted. Barn destroyed. I heard this. A couple houses through here got hit pretty good. There's a roof down. Yeah, I heard this house is totally, oh my God, yeah, this barn right here is totally leveled. Right here used to be a barn. Oh my God, just their stuff is just scattered everywhere. Trees down. That house was lucky. The insulation in the trees. Oh my God. It just looks like, oh fuck, this house got hit bad. Oh my God, this house is totally taken down. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh my God. It just looks like a fucking war zone through here. Alright, getting ready to go see how bad my grandma's road is hit. Oh my God, these trees are totally fucking torn down. Oh my God. These trees were like 30 feet tall at least. Oh my God, that entire wall was ripped out. Well, here's one barn that was leveled. I heard they were all taken down. Yep, there's one of them. God damn. Yep, there's one of our cows out. Oh, fuck. Well, there was a double wide sitting right here. You can't even tell there was a house there besides the foundation. Yep. Oh my God. There's another house right there.